Hey guys, what's up? Thank you for stopping by my channel, Casey Mindful. I'm Casey, and today's video is a super simple Thanksgiving recipe idea. I'm going to show you guys how to make vegan cream cheese pumpkin dip. It's kind of a mouthful, but it's such a crowd pleaser. Who doesn't like cream cheese? I don't need that kind of negativity in my life if you don't. But moving on, it literally only takes 5 minutes to make, and it's only 5 ingredients. But before I show you how to do all the things, go ahead and like this video, make it easier on yourself so that you can refer back to it easily when you're grocery shopping. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so you can easily tune into the rest of my vegan Thanksgiving recipes this month. And okay, let me show you what you'll need. You'll need a vegan cream cheese. Any brand works. Dyalla is usually the cheapest. And then a canned pumpkin. You'll need a full-fat, unsweetened coconut milk. Cinnamon. And maple syrup. So we'll start by adding all 8 ounces of your vegan cream cheese, whichever brand you went with. I haven't really decided if I prefer one or the other. And you're just gonna blend it until it's nice and creamy and soft. Beautiful. Then we're just going to add about half of your canned pumpkin. You can add a little less or a little more depending on how much you like the flavor of pumpkin, but I like the cream cheese to be the predominant flavor. And blending, blending, blending. While it's still blending, I'm going to open my canned coconut. And we're pretty much going to use all of the fat of the coconut. Usually it's sitting on top of the can, and the rest of it is more of a liquid coconut milk. But we'll add most of the fat and then just a little bit of the more liquid coconut milk so that it's not too thick. I want everything to mix really well, so adding a little bit of that liquid will help it mix. Alright, keep on blending, 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 blending. I also used a spoon to try to help my blender out. It's not the most expensive blender, but it works. All right, check it out. Looking more and more like pumpkin dip. And then we'll sweeten it with some maple syrup. I'm just using about 2 big spoonfuls, but you can sweeten it to taste. Blend, 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 blend. And we'll top it off with some cinnamon. And again, I'm just kind of eyeballing the cinnamon, so you add however much cinnamon you prefer. We'll blend, 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 and that is about it, guys. Finally, to serve, you'll just put it into any pretty dish you have and top it off with some cinnamon. And then, of course, it's really versatile. You can serve it with almost any kind of cookie or graham cracker, or even fruit pair really well with this dish. I am just serving it with cinnamon graham crackers because that is my favorite and that is what I was raised on. Okay, so that was literally the easiest recipe ever. So this is perfect for all of you last minute Thanksgiving kind of people. You're going to your Thanksgiving party and you ran out of time to make something, so snatch up these ingredients and you are good to go. And now for the taste test. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Love me some cream cheese. Yeah, this is amazing. It's like the perfect combination of like sour and sweet with the cinnamon and the cream cheese and the coconut milk. It's just, and with cinnamon graham crackers, it pairs so perfectly.